Today we will be coding the number guessing game, and it's a very easy coding, and we'll be coding for computer versus player. So the first thing we need to do is to import the random module. Then we can define a function, can name the function as number guessing game. And first we need to print a statement to just as a welcome message. Write it as welcome to the number guessing game. It's optional, you can totally skip this. Second is we need to actually get a random number from the computer. In this we will be using this random module in which the computer will be randomly selecting a number between 1 to 100 with 1 and 100 included. So for this we will be using the random function of the random module. Then we write attempts equals to 0 because we will be counting the attempts for in how many attempts we actually are able to guess the number. Then we can write a while loop to keep on guessing till the guess matches with the secret number the computer has chosen, or that is the number randomly the computer has chosen. Okay, then for that we will be using a guess input. Now in Python the input is usually in strings, so we need to convert it to the integers. So for that we will be writing int input, and then we will be for each input the attempts will increase by 1. So we will be writing attempts plus 1 equals to 1, which is actually equals also be written as attempts equals to attempt plus 1. Then we will be actually trying to guess the number. So if the guess is less than the secret number, print it is too low, try again. If the guess is more than the secret number, we will be using elif for this. Then print too high, try again. And last we will be using else, and we will be using an f string in this case because we will be actually writing the number of attempts, which is an integer, and the rest of the statement is in string. So we will be using the f strings. Okay, then this is the end of it, so do break the loop, and at last we will be calling the function to check for the output. Let us try to guess the number. Okay, 10, 20. I'll be randomly guessing it, increasing it by 10. So no, it's still not 80. Oh, it will be between 70 and 80. Okay, less than 75. 72 is also, 71. Guessed in 11 attempts. Okay.